Sufyan Nadwi. He will explain about Constitution. What is the meaning of Constitution? What is the need of Constitution? How many fundamental rights in Constitution? And what is the difference between Islamic law and Constitution? So in detail, I would like to call Muhammad Sufyan Nadwi.
Assalamu alaikum. Have a blessed morning to all of you. I hope you all are well. My name is Sufyan. I'm an alim. I have done alimiyat from Jamia Islamia Bajkal and Fadila from Darul Uloom, Nadwatul Ulama Lucknow. Presently, I completed a personality development course here. So I would like to say thanks to Madarasa Baitul Uloom and Sunnah English Medium School for providing the opportunity to enlighten our brain and develop our personalities. Respected teachers, honorable guests, and all my friends. Today, I stand before you to talk about one of the topic of our syllabus, that is the Indian Constitution. First of all, what is Constitution and why we need Constitution? Constitution is a rule book for how the country works. It is a document that lays out the laws, principles, and the structure of the government. Now, why we need this? As a Muslim, we gave Constitution to the world and we feel so proud to be an Indian. But the problem is there, the majority of us, they are unaware of Indian Constitution. Even they don't know what we have, the fundamental rights. It defines and limits the power of government. I mean, who has power, what rights people have, and how the decisions are made. It provides the way in which they want the country to be governed. It is a principle of equality, justice, liberty, fraternity. It is like a foundation and guiding principle of Indian democracy. But we should always remember that Quran is our main guiding principle, and in which we have each and every method to live the life. Allah says in the Quran, إِنَّ هَذَا الْقُرْآنَ يَهْدِي لِلَّتِي هِيَ أَقْوَمُ وَيُبَشِّرَ الْمُؤْمِنِينَ الَّذِينَ يَعْمَلُونَ الصَّالِحَاتِ أَنَّ لَهُمْ أَجْرًا كَبِيرًا. Quran guides to the straight way. It gives the good news for the believers who do good, that they will get the big reward. So however, we need to understand the difference between ummah and nation. Ummah, a global community of faith. Despite of our differences in countries, cultures, colors, language. For example, I'm an Indian Muslim, and there is a Muslim who belongs to America, Europe, or any part of the globe, no matter white, black, or anything in that. As a Muslim, we all are one ummah, and we all have to follow the Islamic laws. Similarly, the nation is a place where a large number of people have the common identity. That can be language, culture, religion. They live under the rule and constitution. So we have the different rule and different history about the Indian Constitution and Islamic laws. But we must be loyal to both at the time, with our nation and with our ummah, by following Islamic laws such as Quran and Hadith while adhering our constitution. And it is not a big issue for us, because we got a beautiful and complete constitution. It gives the complete freedom to practice in any religion what we want. So now I want to briefly explain about the Indian Constitution, what we are taught in this course. First of all, historical development of India. How the exactly Indian Constitution developed, and what is the history behind that? Briefly, introduction of Indian Constitution. How many articles, parts, and schedules are there, and which articles that may impact in our life? Citizen. how many articles in the Citizen, what is Citizen, and the very important topic, that is a Citizenship Amendment Act. Fundamental rights, what we have the fundamental rights, and how it's important for us, that I will take in the next slide. Fundamental duties. As an Indian citizen, what we have the duties. And the last one, some basic information of the Indian Constitution, that is like how to apply FIR and how to get the bill. Now let's talk about the fundamental rights. We have got 6 fundamental rights from Article 12 to 35. Number first, right to equality, right to freedom, right against exploitation, right of freedom of religion, cultural and educational rights, right to constitutional remedies. It's need to know about the Indian Constitution. Knowing about the Indian Constitution is super important, especially in the tough times. It helps us to protect ourselves and others. We can fight for justice. We can keep our democracy strong. It brings people together. We can seek a legal solution. It is a powerful tool that we can face in the challenging situation. It helps for the people to get their rights. So it is very essential and it is very necessary for us as an Indian citizen. What we have rights, we need to be familiar with. So due to short time, I would like to say thanks to you all wonderful people to listening to me with great patience, and especially I'm really thankful for the school management who provided us the wonderful facilities, and our lecturer, Shuaib sir, Sajid sir, and especially the backbone of this course, Mufti Abdul Haq sir, who pushed us to think beyond our boundaries in understanding ourselves and human behavior, in pursuing our ambition that truly define who we are and guiding us to become the best representative. Thank you so much, sir. Your hard work, dedication, passion will shine like a diamond, inshallah. May Allah bless you. May Allah bless you all in this world and the hereafter. I wrap up my talk. Have a great day.